Hey, what's up everybody? Hey, you notice anything different? Do you feel cool? Or do you feel like you got the blues? Or what about now? Are you feeling kind of hot and fiery? Or do you have the sudden urge to get your rave on real quick? Either way, you can get it done with this new Sansi LED light that is made for outdoors, but you can see I don't care, I'm using mine inside. So let's just check this thing out. Well, let's just check out the remote first since I got it back there. First, you got your on and on right there. Then you got your white, red, green, and blue. And then you got a directional pad to kind of just cycle through your speeds and stuff like that, or your brightness if you want to. Then you got a whole bunch of other different colors in here you can select from if you want to just keep it stagnant on that light. But between M1, M2, 3, and 4, and all these other features right here, you can have it strobing or blinking or flashing or kind of a smooth fade in and out. Now, like I said, this thing was designed for outdoor use. Christmas time is coming up pretty soon, so I don't know, maybe you want to do something with your Christmas landscape. I'm probably gonna have mine outside. That's when I'm not using it in here because I'm feeling real cool right now with this light in the background. Is that fly or what? Anyways, like I said, it's designed for outdoor use. You can use it anywhere you want to. I do have one complaint about the light though. So it does come with a cord. It is not detachable. That's not my problem. The cord it's long enough because you'll probably want an extension cord anyway. You can actually change the direction. All you got to do is loosen up these knobs right here and kind of just aim it where you want to aim it. But to use the remote, I mean, this thing is so bright, and to use the remote, the sensor is actually right here. So you have to be facing it in order to use the remote because it's an IR sensor. And yeah, if you're facing it, that means you're getting blinded by the light coming out of this thing. That's the one thing I don't like. I wish the sensor could be on the back that way, or maybe even on the side. That way you could be behind it or on the side of it, and you could actually change the lighting features if you wanted to without blinding yourself. Now I do have it upside down. This is the bottom right here. So let me just loosen these up a little bit, and then I will tilt this little bar right here down, and that way you can see where you can actually just kind of screw it onto the ground or on a wall. It has these little slots right here where you can actually just put some screws in there and mount it to whatever you want to. Or you can do like I did and just kind of turn it 180 degrees upside down, bring this thing right here and just kind of use it as a stand on itself and just kind of stand it up on the floor like such. Now you can see these LEDs are huge, massive, and they shine so bright. They are literally blinding. One of them is probably enough, but here you can see you've got 8. And of course it's RGB, so you got a whole gambit of colors here. I'm really digging this thing with the exception of blinding myself when I want to, use the remote and stuff like that. But other than that, man, it's a very simple device, very effective for what it was made for, and I approve of it. But I ain't no expert in this kind of stuff. I'm just doing reviews, and this Christmas, my house is gonna be lit. Oh my goodness, Santa Claus is coming to town. But before I get out of here, y'all make sure y'all tap on that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all at the next one.